decade as my lip. And because this is a light color, it's really good for overdrawing. So this is Velvet Fawn. For me, since my lips are kind of pigmented, it's definitely a nude. Muse, and Muse is rosy and almond color. This is like the Dolce Vita by NARS lip color that is my absolute favorite. It kind of brightens up my complexion a bit, and this one can definitely be worn any time of the year for any occasion. It's not specific to any season. I prefer this one over Velvet Fawn. Velvet Fawn I think would look really good as a base coat and then a darker coat in the middle. And this is Velvet Decade. I was too scared to get this, so I only got the other two. But if I had gotten them in a set, I would have gotten the bag. But I ended up getting it anyway because as a stain, it looked so beautiful on other people. And I actually really like brown lipstick. These are so perfect to mix and match. So that's Velvet Decade as a stain. Ooh, I love all these colors. Oh, as a stain, this is really nice. I will show you guys a full Velvet Decade swatch. That's how dark it is. But because of the undertone, somehow it's a little bit more wearable than you would think. All in all, I really love these lipsticks. Not waxy, not creamy. They look gorgeous in your handbag and in your purse. They're exactly the colors that I love to wear. But I know since they're not readily available, I'm going to come up with some dupes. So if you are wanting to see some dupes, please head over to my Instagram and give me a follow there. I'm gonna look through my collection and see which colors are the closest to these. I already kind of in my mind know which one I want to recommend. But thank you so much for watching this quick swatch video, and I'll see you guys next time.